Hi there, this is Siam. Today we are going to create a Shopify store. Let's jump into the video. Open the browser and then search Shopify partner, and then click on the URL. If you do not have any kind of account in Shopify partner account, then click in join now. Now you can sign. There is have a 4 option. I am going to with Google account. Now choose your email. Just wait few moments. Now select option build a new Shopify store for client, and then you can choose the region whatever you want. I will choose Bangladesh, this is my region, and then select business name. Business name will be, I'll give my name because this is my brand name, Siam Shaheen. Address is Dhaka, cities also Mirpur, and then code zip, and then 1000. Everything is okay. Now click on next. No thanks. Job title PPC expert and web analytics and web analyst. Give your phone number 01. Wait few moment. After loading, we'll jump into the next process. Now you can add a product. Just click on that. Now you can add your product. I will give you a demo product. This is t-shirt, and then get from a new collection, and then media. You have to upload a photo. Now upload a photo whatever you want. I'm going to upload this one because this is a demo. And then you can set a price. I will going to 100. Yes, because it is in taka, it's not dollar. And then you can save, because this is a practice purpose website, then you don't need to any kind of worry about that. And then you can see your product. Here is your product, and then you can also visible your online store. And then wait a little bit moment, and then you can also add a theme. I will give you the pre-activate the theme. I will going to view my website. Here is the website. Now there is a demo product. You can practice by using this website of your web analytics courses. And then here it is. Now see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.